In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable ACH Direct Debit in your Stripe account. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account in Product Settings. After that, go to the Product Settings section. From there, click Payments. This will take you to the area where Stripe lets you manage the payment methods available in your account. Next, open the Payment Methods tab. In this section, you will see the different types of payment options that Stripe supports. Scroll down through the list, or use the search feature if it is available, until you find ACH Direct Debit. You will usually see it listed under the Bank Debits section. Once you find ACH Direct Debit, click on it to open its settings page. Stripe may show you some eligibility requirements before you can turn it on. Take a moment to review those details carefully. If your account meets the requirements, click Enable or Turn On to continue. In some cases, Stripe may also ask you to review and accept the ACH Direct Debit Terms of Service. If that prompt appears, read through the terms and then accept them so you can move forward. You may also be asked to choose a bank account verification method. Stripe often gives options, such as financial connections or microdeposits. Select the verification method that works best for your business or payment flow. The exact options you see may depend on your account setup and region. After you have completed those settings, click Save to apply your changes. This confirms that ACH Direct Debit is now enabled in your Stripe account. Go through the process as a customer would and confirm that ACH Direct Debit now appears as an available payment method for eligible customers. This is a good way to make sure everything is working correctly before you begin accepting live payments through this method. Once the test is successful, your setup is complete. ACH Direct Debit should now be active and ready to use based on your Stripe account configuration and customer eligibility. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.